Hey there, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm thrilled to share some powerful insights that could change your life. Have you ever felt stuck, like your dreams are just out of reach? Well, you're not alone. We all face challenges on our journey to success. But what if I told you that the difference between success and failure often boils down to a few simple facts? In this video, we're diving into 5 incredible facts that will motivate you to take action and propel you toward your goals. These aren't just interesting tidbits, they're keys to unlocking your potential. So, whether you're looking to boost your productivity, cultivate resilience, or simply find the inspiration to keep pushing forward, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Fact 1. Studies show that about 40% of our daily actions are habits. Think about that. Almost half of what you do every day is automatic. This means you can significantly influence your productivity and success simply by developing positive habits. As Aristotle said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Start small. If you want to read more, commit to reading just 1 page a day. Over time, those pages will add up to a library of knowledge. Fact 2. Did you know that Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before successfully inventing the light bulb? Each failure was a stepping stone toward his goal. Edison famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 1,000 ways that won't work." This perfectly illustrates the importance of persistence. Take Walt Disney, for example. Early in his career, he was fired from a newspaper job because they said he lacked imagination. On top of that, his first animation studio went bankrupt. But Disney didn't quit. He kept pushing forward, learning from every failure. Today, his name is synonymous with creativity and innovation. The lesson here is clear. Setbacks are not the end of the road. They are just part of the journey. The only real failure is giving up. Fact 3. Research by psychologist Carol Dweck reveals that individuals with a growth mindset, those who believe their abilities can be developed, tend to achieve more than those with a fixed mindset. As Dweck herself puts it, in a growth mindset, challenges are exciting rather than threatening. When faced with obstacles, remind yourself that each challenge is an opportunity to grow. Consider Michael Jordan, who was cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of giving up, he practiced relentlessly, transforming himself into one of the greatest athletes of all time. Embrace challenges as chances to improve. Fact 4. Your environment plays a crucial role in your success. Studies indicate that people are more likely to achieve their goals when surrounded by supportive individuals. This means you should evaluate your circle. Surround yourself with positive, driven people who inspire you to reach higher. As Jim Rohn famously said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Reflect on your relationships. Do they lift you up or hold you back? Just like Oprah Winfrey, who surrounded herself with mentors and supporters, you too can cultivate an environment that fosters growth and success. Fact 5. Malcolm Gladwell popularized the idea of the 10,000-hour rule, suggesting that to become an expert in any field, you need to invest roughly 10,000 hours of practice. This doesn't mean you need to clock in those hours all at once, but it highlights the importance of dedication and time in mastering any skill. As Gladwell said, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good, it's the thing you do that makes you good. Whatever your goal, commit to practicing regularly and watch your abilities soar. Bill Gates dedicated countless hours to coding and software development, which paved the way for his groundbreaking success. So there you have it, 5 amazing facts that can motivate you to succeed. Remember, the path to success is paved with habits, persistence, a growth mindset, a supportive environment, and dedication. What action will you take today to move closer to your goals? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found these facts inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more motivational content. Thank you for watching, and let's keep pushing forward together.